Hello everyone. Are you wondering what Neutrois means? Let's explore. Neutrois is a non-binary gender identity that is often described as neutral or null gender. People who identify as Neutrois typically feel that they are not male or female, and they may see their gender as being neutral, absent, or null. Neutrois individuals might prefer a gender expression that is androgynous or gender neutral, avoiding characteristics traditionally associated with either masculinity or femininity. This identity offers a way for people to express a gender that is outside the binary and is often characterized by a desire for minimal or no gender at all. In essence, being Neutrois is about identifying with a neutral or absent gender, reflecting a desire for a gender identity that is neither male nor female. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.